What are your expectations from InnoEvent?
My expectations for InnoEvent, I've been looking forward to this week for about a long time. So my expectations was kind of high. Yeah.
My expectations from the InnoEvent is that it allows students to think innovative and be really creative.
My expectations are that I can use the tools I learned in school and working in a team and make the best out of it.
My expectations were to come here to work with some other people and maybe get the best innovative idea ever made.
What do you think about mixing students from different schools to work on this project?
That's fantastic because you get to know what they are working on. Because we have these people who are close to our education from IT. So it's nice to know what they are studying because I'm kind of looking forward to maybe broaden my horizons to IT.
I think it's a very good thing because it's showing like a real work time situation. When we are working in real work, then we have to work together with other people from other fields of expertise. So,
when you mix people from other schools, you create a better creative environment, and it generates new ideas.
Did you come up with an idea yet?
Yeah. I'm not gonna tell you though.
How are you going to work? Did you set some rules?
We don't have rules, but we know what each responsibility area are. We know who's the programmers, who's the designers, who is the business and communication people, and project management. So we don't have like predetermined rules, and we don't expect people to do something special. We just expect them to be engaged, and luckily they are. So we don't see rules as a solution in our group.
What do you think of the outcome of InnoEvent?
I didn't know it was so big. I think it was like just something small, but actually it's big, and you have people coming from everywhere in the country to see what we are doing. Business people, investors, doctors, everybody who's interested in our ideas and what we are doing.